Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you useful phrases, English and Tagalog. First is good morning, magandang umaga. Good afternoon, magandang tanghali. Good evening, magandang gabi. How are you? Kumusta? I'm good, thanks. Mabuti naman, salamat. How about you? Ikaw, kamusta? Thank you. Salamat. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. You are welcome. Walang anuman. Excuse me, paumanhin po. Come in please. Tuloy po kayo. Goodbye. Paalam. Yes. Oo. No. Hindi. What is your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? My name is. Ako ay si. Nice to meet you. Ikinagagalak kong makilala ka. Where do you from? Taga saan ka? I'm from. Taga. A country place ako. Where do you from? Taga saan ka? Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? Saan ka nakatira? I lived in. Nakatira ako sa Makati. How old are you? Ilang taon ka na? I'm 22 years old. Ako'y taong gulang na. For asking direction, can you help me? Pwede mo ba akong tulungan? Okay, sure. Oo, sige. I'm lost. Ako ay nawawala. May I ask something? Pwede bang magtanong? Please tell me. Pakisabi sa akin. Where is the restroom? Nasaan ang kubeta? Please tell me. Pakisabi sa akin. I already said that. Okay. Help me. Tulong. Left, kaliwa. Right, kanan. Go straight, derecho. Please write here. Pakisulat dito. Please teach me. Pakituruan mo ako. May I use the phone? Pwede ba akong makigamit ng telepono? I'm looking for hotel. Hinahanap ko yung hotel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the next video for any updates about the English, Tagalog, Bisaya, and soon I'll be teaching to Waray. Be safe.